Welcome to A-Tech. In this video I will share complete method to create a new Gmail account fast. So let's get started. First of all, open Gmail account. Then click on the profile pic. Here you can see the list of your previous accounts. So we want to create new account, we will click on add another account. Now tap on Google. So here click on create account. Here tap on for my personnel use. Now process has been started. So enter first name and last name. Now enter your date of birth, then select your gender. Here create your Gmail address and tap next. Now it's time to enter strong password. And then tap next. Now scroll down and click on yes, I am in. Now your Gmail ID is ready, so click next. Here you will find terms and conditions, so tap on I agree. And your Gmail ID is ready. If you found this video helpful, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.